treatment is supportive in the form of saline drops, nasal saline drops, sometimes nebulization or sometimes inhaler we give according to the presentation of symptoms. And mostly supportive treatment helps along with antipyretics. To prevent it, proper hygiene is very important. For older children, ask them to use mask during school time or during gathering, and proper hand hygiene, repeated hand washing is very important. And I would recommend for all children less than 5 years to take annual flu shots till adolescence age.